Twist it. Pull it. Pop. Poke it. Pop. Pull it. Pop.
Hello, I see you. Hi everyone, me and Mummy here.
Hi.
And today we're doing a real food versus gummy food, but my dad says we're not going to be eating them, which is okay, but we got this box and we got it because we put our hands through it, and it's a little bit like the Yoli's feeling challenge, isn't it?
Yeah, that was a good video.
Yeah, it's really fun. So like, my dad's going to put the dish here. How many dishes is there?
Let me see. And by the way, it's not just the restaurant. This is a freaky restaurant. I've moved restaurants. So this restaurant's a freaky one because it's not just food and gummies. There's some freaky dishes coming up, girls. Freaky. Yeah?
Like dead bugs or something.
I'm not going to say anything. But the chef is ready to serve.
Yeah, so it's like, so you both put our arms through like this. So it's going to be whoever can guess what the object is first will get 1 point. And then by the end of the 10 or 11 dishes, whoever has the most gets to punish the other opponent.
That's right, Tiana. Well said.
That'll be me punishing Mom.
Really?
Yeah, and in the kitchen, like I said, it's freaky. So there's a freaky punishment for the loser. Which I'm not going to tell you about till the end when we find out who's won. That's about it then. Okay. I better get cooking in the freaky restaurant kitchen.
Woo!
First dish coming up.
Appetizer.
Blindfolds down.
Hands through. Doop, 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 doop.
Time to serve. Tick, tick.
Are you nervous, Steve?
First dish coming up.
Where are you?
Smell. Oh, dare you?
I think I know what it is when I smell it.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
Blindfolds up and feel. What is wrong with you on the first dish?
What's this?
What do you think? What? What's the matter?
Is this fish?
No. Guesses from mother? Any guesses?
Is it alive?
No, it's not alive.
Sardines?
No, it's not sardines.
Tuna?
No. What do you think, Mum?
Is it some sort of sea thing?
You got one more guess, Tiana, and Mum's got another 4 because you got about 5
What?
guesses.
You get only a second amount of guesses? No.
Go then. What more? Any more guesses?
Pickled nuggets.
Ooh, nearly, Mum.
Pickled chicken nuggets.
No, pickled chicken nuggets.
It's called gherkin.
Gherkins.
Oh.
That's right. Gherkins.
How's that supposed
Wow.
to be that?
Gherkins on the first dish, and the smell.
Hey, is it pepper? Would it count if you said pepper?
I would have said close. Gherkins is the dish. Second dish coming up.
I'm scared of this one. I'm interested now.
Right. Time to feel. Blindfolds up.
Ready to feel?
Feel.
Wait. Hey, is this a slipper?
Yes.
It's a hairy slipper. Monster.
I'll let you have that. Dinosaur slippers. Did you think it was an animal?
I thought it was an animal. Then I felt it so weird. I recognise it so weirdly sometimes.
That's right. Your slippers, dinosaur slippers. Third dish coming up. Well done, Tiana. Point each. Oh, this dish. Whew. Whew.
Is it stinking? Or did it take long?
We'll have a smell. Anything you can smell there?
I don't smell anything.
Ugh.
I can't smell anything.
Ugh.
Can you, Mum?
No.
Ugh. You can't smell anything. Ugh. Ugh.
I felt it now.
Right, blindfolds up. Feel.
Don't say.
What do you think? What is it? What is it?
Dog poo.
A piece of poo.
Yeah.
It's poo, but it's in something. So Tiana, you said poop. Poop in a nappy!
What?
Gross.
Now you know it smells.
Oh.
The fastest to pull the poop out of your holes. Challenge coming up. 3, 2, 1, pull your poop out. Yeah!
That is disgusting.
Not one of my best dishes,
Oh no.
but it's only fake poop. Diarrhea as well. So, Mum scores 1 so far. Tiana, you've got 2 points.
Yay.
Here comes another dish. Blindfolds up. Feel time.
Small swat quack.
Gummy something.
Gummy something, Tiana, yes.
Gummy frog.
Gummy frogs.
Yeah. Can I eat one?
Go for it. Why not?
You can have one if you want.
Gummy frog. Ribbit. There you go, guys. Gummy frogs. They're sour.
Yes, they are.
Yeah. I told you.
They're sour.
Right, I'll put your score point on. There's about 200 gummy frogs there.
Huh? Really?
Yeah, there's a lot of frogs. Finally I finished the dish.
I took 8.
Oh. Blindfolds down. No, up. Yeah.
Oh, my eyes are so blurry there.
Feel.
Is it alive?
No, it's dead.
It's dead. So it's been alive.
It's been alive, but it's dead now. Sorry to say.
It smells like
Chicken.
Nope. Not poop either. Poop's already been in the kitchen today. No more poop.
it's squishy.
Mash.
Close, nearly.
Sweet potato.
No! Mum?
That is.
What?
Roasty.
That's mushy peas. I can smell it.
Mushy peas!
I'm not touching that. I hate mushy peas.
Point to Mummy! Oh, very exciting this dish.
Oh no.
What, in a good way or bad way?
Peekaboo!
Don't trust Daddy.
I don't.
Field time, blindfolds up! Go for it.
Sticks.
Sticks. Any idea what it is?
Slimy. Wait, on the inside it feels weird. Have I had these before? Wait, sausage!
Sausage! Giant hot dog sausages, Tiana! Have a feel!
I think that again.
So, just look at the scores. Tiana, you've got 4. Mum, you've got 2.
Look, it's wet. 5.
It's so slippery, guys. Look at this. Look at this sausage. This sausage is... What's this sausage run? This is a sausage run, guys.
Daddy, it's sausage.
Silly sausage.
Twist it. Pull it.
Twist it. Pull it. Poke it. Pull it. Oh, I'm so tired after making this dish. Wow. I bet you was thinking, why is it taking so long?
Yes.
Well, it's here anyway. Aye. Field time. Blindfolds up. That one's alive.
Fish it out!
Oh,
I can smell it now.
there you go. Who's gonna pull a fish by its tail? Come on, through the holes. Who's gonna do it? Is it that mum?
Oh no.
Tiana, have a go.
Gross.
Be brave. Pull that fish before it bites you. Look at his eye. He's
No,
looking
no,
at
pull the tail off, T. Pull it through the hole.
Pull it through the hole. Can you do it? Ugh.
No.
Come on. Mom, you having another go through the hole? Come on, you can do it. She can do it. She can do it. Through the hole. Through the hole. Through the hole. Through the hole. Oh!
Oh my gosh.
Here we go, guys.
I,
Woohoo! Right. 1, 2. I've made 2 dishes.
Oh gosh.
Blindfold up. Feel time.
That's spiky.
who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
What is it?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Tiana! Mum's not even guessed.
Listen, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? That's why I said it.
Right, so Tiana, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2. Tiana's on fire.
And pineapple.
Do you know what we need to do? Chop one of them pineapples and have a taste,
I have
okay?
about 1 or 2 bites because it makes me so.
Let me get my chopper from my kitchen. Freaky kitchen. Pineapple!
Oh,
Whoa!
I got a pen.
One for
I've
you.
got a pineapple.
I got a pen. I got a pineapple. Ha! Pineapple pen.
Taste time.
I'm gonna lick it.
Yeah, that's it. Get the juice flowing sour.
Yeah. Really bitter.
That is really nice.
Refreshing. Not bad after a plate of fish.
Can we lift up?
Lift up time. What's the matter? What's up? Oh!
You know we don't like spiders.
Tiana, your face! Did I freak you out?
Yes.
So who actually said spiders?
Yeah.
Who said it? Who got the point?
He said spiders.
Okay, right. Okay.
1 more point to you.
That scared me.
Oh, it's so heavy bringing this dish is heavy. Ugh. Hold on a minute.
I don't like the sound of that.
Oh. Ooh.
No, I'm scared now.
Wow. Ooh.
Is it edible though? You said it's edible.
All my dishes are. You could have eaten them spiders.
Well, that's true actually. Spiders are edible.
Lift time. Enjoy the feel. First one to guess gets the point. Go, go, go. What's
Gummy worm!
Mummy? Gummy worm! Mum can get that point, Tiana, because you're flying with that wings in front anyway.
I'm so tasting that.
Taste, 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 taste. Savage. Mum, with your gummy worm, why don't you do mouth to mouth tug of war? Yeah, give it a go.
You might lose some teeth.
I will hold that because I'm going to have a big bite. I'll show you guys my bites now. Right, tug of war. Pull tight, up, up. I'm going to move the box. There you go. Who's going to win this one then? Pull, 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 pull. You're using your hand. Cheat.
You put the teeth out.
Pull, pull, pull. Oh, just use the hands again. So this is my second to last dish.
Aww.
Ooh.
That last one was so good.
Gummy, gummy.
Gummy, gummy.
Okay, time to feel.
Can we lift up?
Yes, Tiana's nearly in already. She's gonna guess it.
Broccoli!
Boom! Tiana's got that right. Mum was slow with a feel.
Tree.
You can have that for your dinner tomorrow.
Daddy, if you said green tree, would that count?
I would have said very close. Then you'd have probably got it right after the clue. Enjoy this one. It's your last dish.
Aww.
You ready? It's in. So, blindfolds up. Feel.
Watermelon!
Woo! Mummy's got one! Go for it, Bunny! But it's not going to make a difference because you've lost.
Tiana, your
1,
favourite.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to Tiana. And Mummy's got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I bet you forgot, didn't you, about this part? Have a bite of watermelon. Let me cut it properly for you.
Thank you.
Good?
Alright.
So that is one of my top dishes that I can see by the look in your face. Yeah, so my last dish is like a 10 out of 10 then.
Oh, yes.
Wow, what about them spiders and that fish?
No.
That fish is looking at me disappointed over there. It's like saying, why did they eat me?
You can have
He's
that.
even talking to me like, what did you say?
You can have that for your dinner.
He's asking me a question, hold on a minute.
Why did they not eat me?
Aye, aye. Captain!
Then,
What about this? Watermelon and fish.
No! Don't be doing it. That is gross.
Right, okay, so, Tiana, you won. It's time to punish Mum. Now you're going to find out what you're going to do. And it involves whipped cream
Oh no.
whipped cream butter.
I
and
don't like whipped cream.
Oh, I know what it is. Can I say it?
pie in the face.
I knew it.
Pie in the face. Oh yeah. Ready?
I can smell that fish.
Let's get rid of the fish.
Oh, yeah.
Tiana, Champiano,
Yay!
pie face, coming up, Mum.
Would you really do that to your mummy?
You lost. You've got to have it.
Oh yeah.
What you better off doing, Tiana, hold the back of your head with one hand and then pie with that hand.
Oh no.
3, 2, 1.
No.
Go, say, go. Look at the big lump hanging up in there. Oh wow. Aye. So,
No! So, yeah. That's all. I love you all. See you soon. Bye!
yes! I thought he was gonna get it there. See you guys, I enjoyed the video.
I missed.
I can't sing.
Can I have a taste?
Lick
Hold
it.
on. Ah.